Hello, and welcome back. You made it back to Miss Jean's classroom, didn't you? Anyway, I bet you missed your classroom if you are at home, but you'll get back there. Just remember all the good things that you do in your classroom, and try to remember to do those things when you're at home, because your mom and dad would love all that good stuff too. You could teach them. You become the teacher. You know you love that job. But today I want to remind you about your greetings, because your job is going to be the greeter. So, you guys always have to think about it and take turns when you're at school. Well, now you get to be the official greeter every day, like your teachers are, or if you have that job at school. It's a simple little task, and you're going to probably make your own greeting symbols. But you can look at Miss Jean's apron and you can tell me what you think, and we'll practice so you can remember. And you can take a look, and then when we're done this video talking about things, you can make your own greeting apron or greetings that you can put up along the wall. So here we go. It's all your favorites. Remember? Remember when we did the high five, Charlie? High five. Good morning. How are you doing? Or hello. How are you doing, Charlie? It's nice to see you. And each of these, the next one, Lyric, you always loved the butterfly. Here's the butterfly. Remember, you take my thumb and I take your thumb, and our butterflies connecting. And we say good morning to each other, or hello. I'm glad you're here today. It's nice. Oh, look, that's going to be the easiest one. That's the bear hug. That one you can do every time you see your mom, your dad, anybody that you want to hug. Say, let's do the bear hug. That's my greeting. Ooh. And hug them, look them in the eye, and say, it's nice to see you. And then we're going to come over here, because most of my little guys, you like to do this. What is that? The fist bump? Oh, yeah. Fist bump. Hello. It's good to see you. I'm glad you're here. And last but not least, the heart. The heart. The heart. I wish you well. I'm glad you're here. And really, this time, it's for those little guys or you guys that don't want to touch each other and you want to do your social distancing. There you go. You can wish them well. You can say, thank you for being here. I love you. So remember your greetings. It's part of your day. And you be that special greeter who gets to come in and say, how are you? You're coming into the room for breakfast. You're going to go do another activity. You're going to say, how would you like to be greeted? And really, if you want to, you can get your scissors out again and your crayons out again. And you can take each of these little things. You can make a hand. You can make a butterfly. You can make a bear. You can make your fist bumps. Or you can make a heart. And then you can put them alongside the wall. Or glue them on your shirt. And you can be the official greeter. It'll be fun. Do these things with your parents' permission and supervision so that you can do a great job and make it special for your family. It's nice to see you again. Don't forget to practice your greeting. And as always, we're going to star breath, because you know that's one of my favorites. So let's practice that and make ourselves feel good. We're going to stop, smile, take a deep breath. Relax. We're going to do 2 more of those, because when we do 3, we feel the best we ever feel. Stop, smile, take a deep breath, and relax. 1 more. Stop, smile, take a deep breath, and relax. And look, now you have something good to do today. You become the official greeter, and you can do it any way you want and have fun. Because you know it's all about laughing and feeling good. And always remember to breathe. That's my outlook. Love it. Take care of yourselves. See you soon. We'll have some more stories too.